Nestled within the expansive El Torón Reserve on the Oaxaca coast, House in Torón 2 is a harmonious dialogue between human habitation and the natural world. This 30-hectare sanctuary, dedicated to conservation, provided the architects at IUA Ignacio Urquiza Arquitectos with a unique canvas to craft a dwelling that would coexist rather than dominate its surroundings. The house is a composition of 4 distinct pavilions, each thoughtfully positioned to respect the existing topography and vegetation. The central module, a single shaded terrace, seamlessly blends kitchen, dining, living room, and pool into a continuous, open-air living space. This design invites residents to immerse themselves in the surrounding beauty, with the morning sun filtering through for breakfast and the evening sky providing a dramatic backdrop for outdoor dining. Respect for the environment was paramount in the construction process. The architects carefully studied the land, making minimal alterations to accommodate the pavilions while preserving the majority of the existing vegetation. In fact, an impressive 80% of the displaced flora was carefully transplanted to create natural privacy screens between the modules. This meticulous approach resulted in a house that feels as though it has always been a part of the landscape. The material palette is a celebration of local resources. Concrete, tropical wood, stone, and clay combine with hand-woven textiles to create an atmosphere that is both elegant and earthy. Every element, from the architecture to the interior design and furnishings, was carefully considered to minimize environmental impact and showcase the beauty of natural materials. The house is not merely a structure, it is a frame through which to experience the reserve. The architects intentionally blurred the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, allowing the lush vegetation and the rhythm of the ocean to become integral parts of daily life. This approach fosters a deep connection to nature and promotes a sense of tranquility and well-being. The construction of House in Torón 2 was a labor of love. Without the use of heavy machinery, the architects and builders transported materials by ATV and hand-built trailer, preserving the delicate ecosystem. This commitment to sustainability is evident in every detail, from the carefully selected materials to the minimal environmental footprint. The result is a breathtaking example of architecture in harmony with nature. House in Torón too is more than just a house. It is a testament to the power of thoughtful design and a celebration of the natural world. As residents bask in the gentle ocean breeze and the symphony of jungle sounds, they become integral parts of this extraordinary ecosystem, living in perfect balance with their surroundings.